favourite song is at the moment?
Don't have a clue.
Just guess, it'll be a bit fun.
Okay then. Lady Gaga, Poker Face.
No.
Pink, Funhouse.
No.
Boys Like Girls. Heels Overhead.
No.
Lily Allen, It's Not Fair.
No.
Oh, I give up. I don't know. Wait. I know. Is it Something to Hate About You?
You make me love you, and do all the great things that would take too long to write. I probably should mention the 7 that I like. The 7 things I like about you: your hair, your eyes, your only lies. When we kiss, I'm hypnotized. You made me laugh, you made me cry, but I guess that's all I'll have to buy. So anything like a man is like gonna go right. I wanna be the one I know.
That's fair, but that's not my favourite song.
You made me sing, dance. Oh,
It was a fun though. God.
yeah.
Hey there.
Hey.
Guess what my favourite song is right now? But that. Hey, I'm
Shit, we're good.